And yeah, you know I have a dog, right? Yeah, and she likes to cry her in my room, and that's the problem. And because she gets excited and she wants to go out, and so she will just scratch a little bit there, and that's that's the reason why I have these ones. Yeah, you should check it there. It's terrible, right? Yeah, completely. So I decided to put this piece of sheets there, and then how I will fix this one. So I will use some piece of magazine, old magazines, old. So I cut in small pieces in different shapes, and I'm using this to stick all these pieces on the door, and so I will make something really pretty to fix my door, so nobody will care about what I have here. That there is something wrong here. So I will start today, and when I finish the whole thing, I wish yeah how this one looks. But for today, we will just check the first part of this, trying to look pretty my door again, because my family realize what I am doing here, or what Jen is doing here, I will be in trouble. So just to see, we should check who is Jen. She's sleeping, right? Yeah, she's so happy. She's okay. So you just can be there and see what I will do here. Okay. If you want to ask me questions, you can do it. What I will utilize here, I have I show you, right, this thing to stick everything. So I already cut everything. So because this is like high, it will dry quickly. I need to do. So I'm trying to organize all these pieces, as you can see, in the way that I want it. I want to see them later. So the idea is to get in everything, so I can stick them like kind of quickly. It doesn't matter if they have like letters there, because that's the idea. Okay, to get something pretty, it will be possible if we have like in different shapes, colors, and everything there. So we will, and the idea is to get them in a way that I can take it out again, because you know Jen will continue like scratching here, so I can take it out and put it again. So, and these things that these scratches took her like mm, a year to make them, so it will last a little bit of time, enough to get a pretty door here, and nobody will care about what I am doing, because all the time I am doing something, so no matter what can happen, I don't think nobody will notice something. They will say, oh yeah, it's Joanne doing something else, like sticking something else on the walls or on the door. Nobody will notice anything. Okay, so the idea, because I will use this this thing to stick everything, and this can damage the door more than I wanted. And so my idea is to put some this like plastic things in paper so I can cool on it, stick on it, and it will not damage more this door. Okay, I think I got it. Oh yeah, no, I need to use a little more. So check, let me check. Okay, check, let me check. And this glue is even for wooden, so it will work no worries. It's for plastic, wooden, and it sticks almost anything or everything. I don't know, everything. Because everybody probably is sleeping now. Nobody will come here until I finish, at least with the door. Try not to take like leave small pieces of this thing, because it will catch like I don't know, hair or dust or something, so we don't want that thing here. And what else? As I was saying, I need to do this 1, 2 here, and it doesn't stick okay, so I can cut here. Okay, I think I got it. Okay. Okay. Now we need to. You can start gluing. It's glue, right? Yeah, I will start using this glue. And what we will do will be this one. Just glue what you want. I'm sure you can see that. No, right? Okay, I will try to. I don't care about what is happening there, because yeah, it doesn't matter. A little glue in your hands will not kill you. Okay. Let's see what things we can do here. Just glue everything. You can leave it. I think that's enough, because you know, or maybe, yeah,